Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. Welcome to the Just Takes One ClickFunnels for e-commerce course. I'm super excited that you're here. I'm super excited that you're jumping into these videos, and honestly I could say that these videos are going to be incredibly powerful for you. They're going to open up an entirely new way to do e-commerce, and that of course is using ClickFunnels as our platform. And I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to kind of give you the 10,000 foot overview right now. This is going to be a quick video, but you're going to understand exactly how this whole thing works. Okay, I want you to understand really the kind of overall strategy, all the different factors and pillars that play into it, and this is going to be the basis of obviously the entire course and everything that I'm going to be teaching you. So great to start here, and this is again going to be the 10,000 foot overview of how this whole thing works. And it's a little bit different if you've been coming over from Shopify. There are some differences here when we're talking about ClickFunnels for e-commerce, but in general, right, this is what the overall strategy is going to look like. You're going to have a destination web page. Okay, it's going to be your funnel. Okay, similar to your Shopify store. Okay, you're going to have a e-commerce funnel with ClickFunnels. Okay, obviously you have a funnel site. You have products on that site, right? You're going to have your primary product. You're also going to have upsells, downsells, right? We could have bundle options. I'm going to cover all that inside of this course. Products are going to be sitting on our platform site, which is ClickFunnels, right? So we have our ClickFunnels funnel. Okay, the first video in the training after this one is actually going to be starting your first funnel, so we're going to jump right into it right after this. But we're going to have our funnel set up. We're going to have some products on the funnel, and this is no surprise. We're going to need to do marketing, right? Very similar to Shopify. We're going to be leveraging Facebook ads for the majority of our marketing, right? Especially when you're brand new, you're not going to have an email list or any type of existing assets to work with. So we're going to need to do marketing. Now, in the long run of this store or of this e-commerce business, we're certainly going to be able to leverage our email marketing list. Let's say we have an email list from Shopify, or we build one as we start selling product through ClickFunnels. Of course, you could do marketing through email marketing as well. But overall, we're going to be doing marketing through Facebook ads. And then operations. Operations will definitely be a bit different, right? This is where, admittedly, ClickFunnels lacks a little bit in terms of the actual back end of their platform. Now, ClickFunnels, again, was built for high conversion of opt-in pages, selling digital product, and people are really starting to figure out that it also works for physical products. But this is not Shopify, right? Shopify was built, obviously, as a storefront, as an e-commerce storefront, a full shopping cart, customer accounts, and being able to log in and install apps and look at all these great different add-ons and stats and dashboards and all that stuff. And don't get me wrong, there's stats, there's reporting inside of ClickFunnels without a doubt, but operations-wise is going to be a bit different. Okay, operations is going to be, especially at the time of shooting of this video, there are some integrations that will make fulfillment and management a little bit easier. But you'll see that there are definitely some challenges there, and it's okay. We'll battle through those challenges. It's certainly worth it to be getting the type of conversions that we're seeing on ClickFunnels. But there will be some heavy lifting in some cases, and definitely I'll be showing you how to make that as easy as possible, whether you're outsourcing or you're setting up some of these automations that are out there. And I'm sure as we progress through this business, there will be some new great software that comes out in terms of making that automation between ClickFunnels and Shopify. But right now, there are basically we just have to work with what there is. Okay. Again, all of this is totally worthwhile because this is the reason why ClickFunnels works so well. We're getting high conversion. So if we have to spend a little bit extra time or resource to get that, that's totally okay. Okay. So let's talk about platform a little bit more specifically. On the platform side of things, ClickFunnels, you're going to see the funnel that we're going to set up in the next video. It's going to be very simple. We're going to be talking about a one-page funnel with a one-page checkout and then a potential 1 to count of upsell, right? We could have 0 upsells if we want, but ClickFunnels has this awesome feature called one-click upsell, where literally you enter your credit card information on the one-page checkout, you purchase your item, and then you get presented one-click upsells where you literally just need to click once, right? That's why they call it one-click. You click one-click button, and you automatically get that upsell added to your order. So talking about being able to make some high conversions and have the core functionality of upselling, the true functionality of upselling. That's why the platform of ClickFunnels works so well. So we're going to have our single page funnel, we're going to have our one page checkout, we're going to have congruent upsells, and of course we're going to have our thank you order confirmation page, and that is the depth of your site, right? We're going to want to build required pages just because Facebook is going to need to have pages like return policy, privacy policy, terms of service, right? Customer service, contact us. Well, we'll build those inside of ClickFunnels. You only need to build those once, or you could just simply link those off to your Shopify store if you already have one existing. But otherwise, we're talking about a potentially as small as 3 pages of your entire e-commerce funnel setup: the product page, the checkout page, and the thank you page. And there could be pages 4 and 5 if we add in those upsells. Okay, products, right? Products. Talking specifically about products. This is going to be very similar to Shopify, and the reason why we want the integrations with Shopify is to be able to keep the products that we like using in our business models that require no inventory. Okay, obviously I'm talking about drop shipping or print on demand. Okay, if you know anything about me, you know how much I love print on demand and t-shirts. There are definitely ways to make that work with ClickFunnels, right? Are they easy? Not right now, and that's okay, right? Again, it's totally worth it to get the conversion. I'm going to show you exactly how I do all these different setups for print on demand or drop shipping, right? We're going to be able to use Oberlo in some cases. We're going to be able to use Custom Cat in some cases. In other cases, we'll need to do some manual work. But product-wise, we're still going to be looking for the same type of products under the same lens of passionate niches. Okay. Now, a huge benefit of ClickFunnels, probably one of the reasons why you're even thinking about spending time in ClickFunnels, is because we get to do a huge amount of launches with very little investment of resource, time, design, or setup, right? Setting up a niche store, while I believe it's incredibly easy with Shopify, it does still take time, right? It does take resource, right? It does take your dedication in there. Over here with ClickFunnels, because we have a simple 3, 4, or 5 page funnel setup, right? We're basically able to move incredibly fast. You're going to hear me say over and over in this course, money loves speed, move quick, move fast, fail fast, scale faster, right? The idea here is that we want to move as quickly as possible. We want to launch product after product after product because we know that in e-commerce, it's all about volume, right? You need to launch a lot of products. Why is that? Well, they're not all going to sell, right? We want to find one massive winner, right? Well, how do you find winners? Well, you need to launch more product, right? Big benefit of ClickFunnels, we can move incredibly fast. We could launch 20 products in one day, and the cool thing is they can be spread out in a couple of niches. Because in this case, this is kind of the answer to how do I test niches without doing a general store. And as you guys know, I'm not a huge fan of general Shopify stores. I think that in the long run, the big opportunity is in niche stores. But this is a pretty unique case here because we're basically just showing them a funnel. We're not building a fully branded environment. It's a very focused on conversion funnel, right? It's not focused on branding, right? That's what your Shopify store is for. But it's focused on conversion. It's focused on showcasing product directly to the right customer in a high converting environment. And that allows us to use that environment over and over and over again to test tons of different products. And again, it's a volume game. You launch a lot of products, you find a winner, then you take full advantage by scaling that winner out. And scaling now means put obviously more spend on your advertising, but it also means expanding your placements of where your product is going to be. And that's another huge benefit of why this business works so well. When you have a winning product, you scale from ClickFunnels to Shopify. And oh, by the way, if you're already in Shopify and if you already have a winning product, you better start scaling that ASAP onto ClickFunnels right now. It's vice versa. Okay, you don't have to start with ClickFunnels. If you already have a Shopify store, if you already have winners, a great scaling method, a new scaling method would be to scale over into ClickFunnels, because again, that's going to be a totally different environment, totally different average order values, presentation of product, look and feel. It's going to be different, right? It's going to be different, and this is basically just a unique way to split test using different platforms, Shopify being one, ClickFunnels being the other. Okay, marketing, it's all Facebook ads, right? We're going to go over that, a big section on Facebook ads to make sure you understand how to do your targeting, how to do your niche setup, how to actually understand if a product is working. I'll go over all that in depth. And then operations, you're going to be seeing different videos in terms of how to do things, how to take in orders, what happens after you get an order, how do you export an order out, how do you deal with order management and customer service, and of course, how do you integrate with Shopify. I'll show you all of the good and bad ways to integrate with Shopify right now, and of course I'll update this course as new advancements come out for that. But that's how this business works, guys. I mean, it's a very straightforward business. It's e-commerce 101, right? We have product, we're matching it up with the customer, right? And we're going to scale winners, cut losers, right? It sounds very familiar to my strategies in Shopify. The big difference here is that you're going to be moving a lot quicker. Okay, you're going to be moving a lot quicker. Money loves speed. Get in here, test tons of products, right? I really want you to be testing. If you have, I don't even care what number it is in your head. If you have a number of how many products you want to test this month, triple it. I'm not even kidding. I don't care what the number is. If you are very ambitious, you wanted to test 100, great, test 300, because that will be even better for you. Okay, maybe those numbers aren't very realistic. You get the point. I'm stressing it out here in an extreme way. test a lot of products. That's what ClickFunnels is all about, right? It allows you to move incredibly quickly. So we're going to jump into the first funnel. Right now, you're going to see exactly how we'll set everything up. You could actually grab the funnel link right at the start of the next video, and I'll see you in the course.